Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, please hit that subscribe button. Just like stick around, become a part of the CK gang. Y'all, this hair, honey, the hair is a given, okay? So today's video is in collaboration with Alipearl hair, and as y'all can already tell, we are laid and slayed, okay? Ooh. Shout outs to Alipearl for sending me this hair. Please feel free to like this video. Feel free, because it's free. Please like this video, please comment and subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and become a part of the CK gang, become a part of the notification gang. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's just jump into this video because baby, I did this, okay? Let's jump into the video. Today's video, guys, is in collaboration with Alipearl. They sent me a really nice wig and I'm super excited to install it for y'all. I did a ball cap. I hardly ever do that. So, you know, I really like this wig and I just feel like it's gonna be so fire. This is what the hair came in. They sent me quite a few things. What I like is that they have like a booklet on how to care the hair. This was clutch. When I saw this, I'm like, okay. This is about to be so good. Like, oh my word. Yes. And this is a body wave. It's so pretty. I feel like I want my install to just be this with the waves just like this. This is so fire. I'm gonna work on the hairline. Definitely gonna work on the hairline. But this is her. The color is gorgeous. But yeah, I hope you like this video already and I hope you hit that subscribe button. I bought a new tweezer, so I'm even more excited. Tweezer man, that's what it's called. I got this at Target, but it has a little fancy case. So I'm gonna go in, y'all, and I'm gonna pluck for my life. So let me just add my foundation under this and let me do a little bit of like customization to the hairline. And yeah, let's get this installed.
Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. She be calling on a Monday, wanna meet on Tuesday, asking me to fix me up real nice. She can wait until the weekend, she wants off the deep end, telling me to bring the stuff I like. I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Ay, always down every week, yeah. Know I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't fit right, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, hey, you know I'ma party with her, with her, with her. We be chillin' on the Wednesday, slept until it's Thursday. She don't wanna leave me, not just yet. Told me all about last Friday, when she went all crazy. Didn't go to bed till Saturday. I don't wanna go without, so I asked her to stay. Though she broke my heart in a million ways, but I'm putting that aside. I'ma feel alright now, happy just as long as she's with me. I've been trying my luck every day of the week, yeah. With my baby, what's up? Always down every week, yeah. No, I love her too much, but I just can't get enough. She's slipping through the cracks, call my bluff. She know what's up, yeah. Can't get enough, yeah. Even when it don't fit right, hey, I still wanna party with her. Even when it don't feel right, yeah. You know I'ma party with her, with her, with her, yeah. Even when it don't feel right, I still wanna party with her, oh yeah.
Guys, so I'm back. My makeup is done. Everything is done. I kind of curled my hair already. I pre-curled it because I wanted to save time. Ooh. Wow, I think we're gonna have to recurl some of these. I wanted some loose curls. I curled it with my curling wand, and I kind of used some hairpins to hold them up, but I don't think I did a good job with the pinning. But this is the hair. I definitely am loving it for sure. We're gonna have to fix some of these because I messed it up, but this is like the vibe that I want. I want curls, and I will possibly just like clip a little bit of the hair just to kind of give me like a little layered vibe. You know, I don't really be cutting hair because I don't know how to do it, but we're gonna try to get a little layered vibe. But I'm loving it. Ooh, okay. And this makeup look is giving. It's going with the vibe. Ooh.
I don't wanna let her down, so I'm telling her yes. Though I'm kinda down from the pain in my chest, but I'm putting her to sign now. I'ma feel her right now, happy from the stuff I know she likes. I've been trying my luck.
Let me just go and grab a wide tooth comb, as well as I'm gonna plug my curling wand up so we can like finish styling, because I didn't do that good of a job with the pin curls, so we're gonna have to fix that.
Yeah, I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. Get tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me if I keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting, keep waiting. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. I don't get like it's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this.
Y'all, this is giving me such a vibe. Oh my goodness. It's giving me everything that I wanted and more.
She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me, I know it's true. Or maybe I'm the fool for you.
Guys, this is the finished look. I'm in love. I was gonna like put a shirt on, but something about the hair, the robe, the makeup is giving me like Hollywood glam, like rich housewife kind of vibes, and I'm here for it. I love this hair. The color is gorgeous. This body wave hair is really nice. The color is gorgeous. It laid like a dream. I mean, I did kind of mess one side up when I was cutting the lace and I over plucked one side, but y'all see this? Y'all see this? Like, look at the color. It's so pretty. I really love this hair. I love how it turned out. This is the back. I went in and I put it in layers in a sense, like as y'all saw. Yeah, and I think that's all. I got nothing else to say. I keep looking over there because I'm in love with this look. Oh my god, like everything looks so good, okay? Everything looks so good. This what we looking like. Laid and slayed. Please be sure to like this video. Please be sure to comment and subscribe. If you like this hair, then check out the description box below. Shout outs to Alipearl for sending this hair. Like, their hair is always clutch. Every single time I work with them, their hair is bomb, okay? But like, let me know what you think down below. And that's all. I love you guys. Bye.